how to add participants to a WhatsApp group. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Scroll down and tap onto the group chat where you want to add participants. Here, at the top of the chat screen, tap the group name to open the group info page. Scroll down and tap Add Participants. Choose the people you want to add from your contact list. After selecting the people, tap the tick mark or done to add them to the group. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.